Unlocking the full potential of your GoHighLevel platform starts with seamlessly integrating a robust communication system like Twilio. First, you'll need your Twilio account details. Log into your Twilio console dashboard. On the main dashboard, you'll immediately see your account SID and your auth token. These are unique identifiers for your Twilio project. Copy both of these values, as we'll be pasting them into GoHighLevel in the next step. Now, switch over to your GoHighLevel account from the main dashboard. Navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the settings icon. This will open up your sub-account specific settings. Within the settings menu, look for the phone system option on the left-hand sidebar and click it. This is where GoHighLevel manages all its communication integrations. On the phone system page, you'll see an Add Provider button. Click this, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Twilio. This action will open the configuration window for your Twilio integration. Paste your previously copied Twilio account SID into its corresponding field, and then do the same for your auth token. Double-check that both are entered correctly to ensure a successful connection. Once both credentials are securely in place, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Congratulations! Your Twilio number is now successfully connected to GoHighLevel. You'll see Twilio listed as an active provider from here. You can assign your Twilio numbers to specific locations or users within GoHighLevel, enabling seamless calling and SMS functionality directly from your CRM. With Twilio integrated, your GoHighLevel account can now leverage powerful communication features, enhancing your customer interactions and marketing campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tips.